This video is going to be about the, I just did the BBK headers and had to put a Boregenson steering shaft in there. And I'm not joking, the steering was real tight. I wasn't able to steer it with one finger like this. I sucked everything out, got the car on jack stands, and sucked all the fluid out. It was just generic fluid. And filled it up with royal purple. And when you're doing that, you have to make sure you turn the wheels from bump to bump. There she is. And it made a huge difference. The steering pump's a little quieter, but the effort and steering the wheel is like night and day. I ain't shitting you. So go get you some royal purple steering fluid.